Welcome back. Today, a New Mexico judge threw out the case against Baldwin, the actor, on a charge of involuntary manslaughter. It was connected to the death of cinematographer Halyna Hutchins.
This came after the trial was put on hold earlier in the day after disputed ammunition evidence. ABC's Jacqueline Lee with more.
Extreme twists and turns in Alec Baldwin's criminal trial. The judge dismissing the case with prejudice, saying that police as well as prosecutors withheld evidence. Baldwin immediately crying and hugging his attorneys. Stunning moments in the Santa Fe courthouse during Alec Baldwin's criminal trial. Before kicking off day 3, his defense team requesting the judge throw out the entire case. The judge granting that motion. The defense pointing out that after armorer Hannah Gutierrez was convicted of involuntary manslaughter, a Good Samaritan turned in ammunition that allegedly came from the movie set. The state's crime scene tech testified she was instructed to file this ammunition away in a supplemental report and not include it with the rest of the Rust movie evidence.
We're talking about a prosecution that didn't preserve those bullets, that didn't collect them at all, that didn't turn them over.
But the state argues that the ammunition was not relevant to the case, stating this so-called Good Samaritan was actually a good friend of Gutierrez's father who had ulterior motives, and that the ammunition did not match the bullet that killed cinematographer Halyna Hutchins.
Not only is it not a match when you look at it, it's not a match when you send it to the FBI and you ask them to conduct chemical testing. So this is a wild goose chase. This has no evidentiary value whatsoever. This is simply a man trying to protect his daughter, and he's doing it by providing information that doesn't even match. He's trying to provide evidence that doesn't even match the evidence that was found at the scene.
The state also arguing the defense had this information last year.
So the jury was misled again yesterday when Mr. Spiro indicated, we had no idea about any of this. They've had it the entire time.
And since this case was dismissed with prejudice, Baldwin cannot be tried again. Jacqueline Lee, ABC News, Santa Fe, New Mexico.